If you're in Ghana or any part of the Africa and you're wondering how you can register on VALPULSE to get access to the cash flow mystery system, in this video I'm going to show you how you can register on VALPULSE to get access to cash flow mystery system anywhere in the Africa. So right now, let me say now you click on your YouTube channel, you watch a video about VALPULSE and you want to register. I'm going to show you how you can get details right on your YouTube channel without sending message to the person that did the video. So let me search for my name, so you can see. Okay, so so okay, okay, VALPULSE. Okay, this is VALPULSE video. I have a lot of video on VALPULSE. So when you see the video like this, when you tap on it, if you want to watch it, let me just post it for you to see. You see this place beside one day ago, you that you see more, you tap on more. That is where you are going to get details of the product or any ebook, anything they talk about. That's where you can get details about a product or and how to get access to any product on this platform directly from YouTube. Maybe you see videos that talk about a product, a course, and you want to get access. Just tap on it, tap on the more to get details about it. So you can see here is the link below to get access to click the link. So in all my videos I post there, I always put the link to have access to VALPULSE. So you are going to tap on this link. So you are going to wait for it to load. So okay, so it's going to bring you to here where you're going to purchase. You're going to tap and you can go through it to read it. Then you tap on purchase. So please make sure your email and your name is correct and your phone number. Make sure everything is correct and make sure the name you are going to use on VALPULSE is the same thing on your account details, so that there will not be any issue when you want to withdraw your commission to your account. Please make sure everything is correct. So I'm going to use just your name. Wait, let me just show you. I'm going to change this to 60 because that is my email, that is what I use. So it may not accept it. I will change his number to 39, so it's going to be different. Then you tap on select. So you tap on select payment gateway. When you select it, please make sure you tap on the flatter wave, the first one. The first one gave it very easy for others African to register, but if you have paystack in your country, you can make use of paystack. But if you're in Ghana, make sure you tap on the first one, flatter wave. So when you tap on it, you're going to see select an option. Then you are going to see US dollars, Nigeria, Central African, Ghanaian cedis, Kenya, West African, Zimbabwe, Euro, and you can see Uganda. You can see a lot of countries. You can see. So if your country is there, you have access to register on VALPULSE and get access to the cash flow mystery system. You can see. So right now, I'm going to tap on Ghana cedis. So you can see details. Charges 0, payable 11 to rate. So you can see. Then you tap on pay now. So you are allow it to load. This is okay. If you're in another country, the way I did it, this is how you follow every procedure. Every details is going to give you. So you select, so you can see, click here to choose network. So if you are using MTN Momo, you tap on it. You are Airtel, so this MTN, you can see the amount of money you are going to pay. Then you tap on pay now. So you can see you will be redirected to complete the payment. Tap proceed. So you can enter your OTP. So when you receive an OTP on your SMS, then you tap on it. When you tap on it, it's going to be successful. So if the registration is successful, you say successful. If the registration is successful, you're going to receive an email from VALPULSE that you have registered on VALPULSE, and you're going to get details on how you can sign up, and you have access to your cash pharmacy. This is the way you can sign up in anywhere in Africa. Just click on the link to check if your countries are among the people that can have access to VALPULSE, and then register. And right now, this is a great opportunity for you to make use of the opportunity to grab the discounts, because there's a discount, salad discounts. It started from 29 to 31. It's going to end on 31 of May. That is Sunday. So now you want to register on VALPULSE, you register with 11 to $11 plus instead of 15,000, $11. So you are going to save your $4. So right now, if you want to sign up, I'm going to drop the link to get access to VALPULSE. I'm going to drop it in the first comment section or the description below. Just check it and click on the link to get access. So just follow the procedure on how I was able to register on VALPULSE. Just follow. It's very simple and very easy. If this video is helpful, kindly share, kindly like, and kindly comment. If you have any question or you want me to talk about anything, just write in the comment section. I'm going to respond. And also, if this is your first time coming across my video, my name is Obusha, where I post videos on how you can make use of a smartphone to earn money. So thank you for watching, and God bless you. Goodbye.